Hey Furies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, No Fury. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I got these knotless box braids, okay? Your girl did them herself, so we're not going to be mean, okay? Your girl just don't want to spend $300+ to do something that she can do, okay? We're efficient, we're affordable around these parts, okay? Big shout out to Janet Collection for sending me this hair that I will be reviewing in this video for you guys. They were so nice to send me over some bulk hair so I could do my braids. I know that's right. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup, beauty, and all that junk. If this isn't your first time here, you already know this deal, sis. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get into the video. Alright, boom. I'm giving very Ronald McDonald's from the jump, okay? We're not going to come from how I look because I'm not going to look the same at the end. So I'm going to show you guys the hair. This is the Janet Collection Nala Tress Easy Split Hair. This hair is so good, you guys. Like, when it comes to braiding hair, your girl has touched a lot, okay? I like that it's pre-sectioned. I think honestly that's my favorite thing about the hair, that it's pre-sectioned. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair. You guys, this part was the hardest part. Honestly, my braiding skills are pretty, I don't want to say top notch, but they're pretty good. The only thing that holds me back is parting. I cannot part to save my life, okay? I've struggled with parting for so long. I've tried all different types of combs. I've tried to have people help me learn how to part. I cannot part, okay? So you're gonna see some crooked parts in this video, all right? And what we're gonna do is not make fun of your good sis, because I love you and you love me, right? So I'm parting my hair. I used a little bit of gel on my part just so it will be a little bit more, I don't know, I guess defined. This is the best that I can do though, you guys. On another note, my hair has grown so much. I am having slight issues with my edges right now. Honestly, I think I know what the issue is, so I just have to stop this one bad habit. But my hair is growing so fast. I hope by December I'm able to get it into like a cute puff. I miss my curly bun. Oh my god, like I used to have this really cute curly bun I was able to do. I'm gonna get it back, you guys. I'm gonna be back and popping. Natural world, here I come. Okay, so cute transition. I did the right side first. I'm using these two products. I will link them down below. I love these two products. They're so good for gripping hair. I'm starting off by putting that on, and then I literally braid over twice, and then I start feeding in the hair. That's the best way that I can explain it, you guys. I literally braid over twice, and I put it under my finger, and I braid again, and I do this until I braid all the way down. I only use 5 pieces, by the way. So 5 pieces of hair. I don't go past that. Honestly, I could have used 4 pieces, but I just wanted to use 5 just to see, you know. But I think next time I'm going to use 4. It made my life so much easier. Another thing that I have to work on with my braids is how many I do. I feel like I could have gotten away with this braid style, you know, the time being so much faster if I didn't do so many braids. I did so many braids, and I'm like, for what? These are knotless. Like with knotless braids, you don't have to do that many. This hair was so easy to work with. It did not tangle on the way down. I think the color is really pretty. I was concerned about the color, but it's really perfect. I am obsessed. Like, Janet Collection really snapped. And you guys, it's been about a week, and I can honestly say that this hair is not breaking me out. That's another reason why I don't do braids as much. Braiding hair literally breaks me out. The fact that this hair is I think it says antibacterial. Yeah, it does not make me itch. It is so good. If you have issues finding braiding hair that makes you itch, please check out this hair. It is literally perfect. This hair is literally the only hair that I found so far that does not break me out. I didn't have to soak this hair in vinegar, nothing. I literally took it straight out the pack and started braiding. So boom, here I am. I'm gonna show you guys one more piece. I literally braid over and then I start adding the hair in. Now, as you guys can see, my braiding skills are actually pretty solid. It's just my parts. The parts, why is it so hard for me to part? I don't know, maybe it's because I'm impatient. I don't know, I can't explain it. If anybody has any parting tips down below, please put them down below for your girl. I would be greatly appreciated. I think next time I braid my hair, I'm gonna do these a little bit smaller and in the shade black. Just because, I mean, it's not that it looks bad. I just think I'm gonna do black next time. Maybe even number 4. I think I look good with number 4 hair color too, which is like a light brown. Here I am in all my glory. I'm gonna start by, well, finish off the style by using foam wrap. This is just Lotta Body in a foam wrap bottle. I'm just putting it all over my scalp. This part's about to be so funny. So I didn't have no scarf near me, so I had to use like a stocking cap from when I was laying down my frontal wig. And you guys, I don't even know what I was thinking when I did this part. I am so annoying. Like, anyway, I ended up just not even using it and just started blow drying without it. I am so annoying. Like, I be making myself mad. You guys, I don't know what it is, but when you get braids, I swear your skin just glows different, okay? You get that braid glow, like your skin just instantly just look hydrated, cleared up, all that. So I'm just blow drying this Got To Be spray, and I'm adding a little oil spray to make my braids shine. So, you know, my hair look a little dingy or whatever. So I added some oil to make it pop. And this was it, you guys. It took me about 6 to 8 hours to do all these. They go down to this length, and I am super geeked. These are how it looks. This is how it looks in the back. I don't think I did too shabby. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Honestly, tell me down below. I don't get offended. I am so thankful. Thank you, Janet Collection, for sending me this hair. You guys stay tuned for my final thoughts. I'm going to tell you what I think about this hair and if you really should buy it. Now this video is going to be very quick. It's not going to be a tutorial of how to braid. I feel like knotless box braids are more of the advanced type of braiding. So it's like, if you don't even know how to braid, don't expect to know how to do knotless box braids, or expect me to teach you how to do knotless box braids, okay? This is more so how I do it, and I'm going to be reviewing this hair as well. So we can get it out the way. Janet Collection sent over their Nala Tress 3x Easy Split Pre-Section Braiding Hair. It's in the shade 99J, which is like burgundy, which is what I like. I was hoping it went, ooh, I need to lay my edges. I was hoping it wouldn't be too bright, and it's not. It's literally perfect. So if you want like a dark burgundy color, get 99J. It is 42 inches long. The braids literally hit a little bit under my bust area. How I feel about this hair altogether, honestly, it's really good. I've worked with a lot of braiding hair, not only from doing my own braids, but as being like a stylist as well. I feel like this is a very cost-effective way to get some hair. I like how it's feathered at the end as well. It takes the work out of it for you for having to feather the hair. If you're not familiar with feathering the hair, it's basically like piecing the ends to make sure they're not blunt. It already comes just like that. I also like that this hair does not make me break out. So I deal with a lot of braiding hair that literally makes my neck break out, back of my neck break out, some sides of my face break out, and I have to take the braids out in like 2 weeks. And it just triggers my eczema, and it's just so annoying. This hair so far is not doing any of that, and I'm so thankful. On the back, it claims to be antibacterial, itch-free, water-resistant. It is extremely lightweight. This hair is super light. I do feel like I put in too many braids in my hair, but it doesn't even feel like it. It's super light. It also has, it's easy to dip in hot water, and the ends do look natural. I absolutely 100% recommend this hair. It doesn't even tangle, you guys. Like, I wish I could have shown you guys my floor after I was done braiding. Usually I have hair all over the place from me being irritated because the hair is tangling. This hair did not tangle at all. It was so smooth, so easy to work with. And then also I just want to show you guys how it's separated piece by piece. If you are a professional braider, you're going to love this. So the hair literally comes sectioned off for you. So if you're doing feed-in braids, this is literally perfect for you. All you have to do is just pick up the hair and keep braiding. I really like that. The hair is really soft. Like, it's really good hair, you guys. If you haven't tried Janet braiding hair, I highly suggest that you do. And it's more of the cost effective versus like getting the like expressions and stuff like that. Janet collection is also so revolutionary because they sent me over a shower cap for braids specifically, and I'm so shook. It's for braids, locks, twists, all that stuff. So it's like it kind of folds at the top. I used this in the shower the other day and I'm just like, whoa. Oh, come back, camera. Come back. Get my lighting back. My camera acts stupid sometimes, you guys. But this is a must-have. If you have long hair or really long braids and you hate putting it in your bonnet in the shower and your bonnet gets wet, you need this. This is literally the bomb. And it's comfortable too. It doesn't hurt your ears or anything.